Chapter 3 Paralinear Equation 2 Variables Part 8. Today we are going to see some more applications problems. Okay. See exercise fourth questions, fourth problem. Places A and B are 100 kilometer apart on a highway. Two places you have. Clear? Two places, one place is A, another place is B. Clear? The distance between the two places is 100 kilometer. That is 100 kilometer apart means distance between A place and B place is 100 kilometer. Okay. Now one car starts from A and another from B. One car starts from A, another car starts from B. Clear? At the same time. Okay. If the cars travels in the same direction at different speeds, okay, X car moving one speed, B car also moving another speed, then they meet in 5 hours. Clear? After 5 hours, they will meet in one place. Clear? If they travel towards each other, means opposite direction, then they meet in 1 hour. They meet in 1 hour. Then what are the speed of the cars? Actually, the speeds of the cars are not given. So we have to assume that the speed of the two cars be. Let the speed of two cars B, one is x kilometer per hour and another one is y kilometer per hour respectively. Okay, you can write respectively. Respectively, right? Okay. Now, case 1 you see. You take case 1. Case 1 you take. Same direction. Case 1, same direction. The car travels in the same direction. Car travels in the same direction. So you see the diagram. Suppose car A is here, car B is here. Clear? Car B you take here. Understand? Two stations, two places, 100 kilometer apart. The distance is 100 kilometer. Okay, 100 kilometer. Then after this, see the car A moving this direction. Okay, this direction with the speed of x kilometer per hour. Car A is starts from the point A, x kilometer per hour. Okay, car B the same direction. Okay, starts from B, okay, y kilometer per hour. After 5 hours, definitely they will meet in one place, that is C. That is C. Clear? So one car starts from A with the speed x kilometer per hour. Another car starts from y kilometer per hour at the same time. Then after 5 hours, they may meet at place C. Clear? Place C. Understand the concept? Now, what the requirement is what? Distance. You have to find out distance. Distance between A to C and what? B to C. You have to find out the distance. Clear? Distance equal to, speed into time. The formula is what? Distance equal to speed into time. Use that. You can easily find out. Now, distance covered by the car. Distance covered by the car starts from A. From A. Here, distance covered by the car from A in 5 hours. In 5 hours. In 5 hours. is equal to distance, means what? Speed into time. Speed into time. Speed into time formula. Okay, that is equal to, what is the speed? X. A car, the car starts from A. Here, that speed is X into time is 5 hours. Time is 5 hours. So 5x, that is 5x. So what you will get? 5x is nothing but what? AC distance. AC distance only what? 5x. Right? This AC distance you will get 5x. Okay. Same way, you have to find out distance covered by the car from B. From B place. In same 5 hours. Here. Distance covered by a car. Covered by the car. From B in 5 hours. In 5 hours equal to y. The speed what of the car is y into 5 hours. 5. That is equal to what? 5y. That is equal to 5y. So this distance is nothing but what? BC. You will get BC. You will get BC. Right? But AB is given 100 kilometer. It is given, right? AB is given 100 kilometer. So AB, how will you write AB? See the diagram. How will you write AB? The full AC subtract BC means you will get AB. You will get AB or not? So AB can be written as full AC minus BC equal to 100. Understand? So full AC subtract BC means we will get AB, right? That AB only you can write AC minus BC equal to 100. Now what is AC? AC is 5x, BC is 5y, that is equal to 100. Now divided by 5, 5 is common factor. So divided by 5, what you will get is x minus y equal to 20. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Easily will get it, right? Now case 2, the same way, another condition given, you see. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Okay, you take it as case 2. Case 2, that is opposite direction. Towards each other means what? Opposite direction you write. For our understanding purpose. Opposite direction. Diagram. A and B apart from 100 kilometer distance, right? Now A car moving x kilometer per hour this side. So B car just opposite y kilometer per hour, different speed. The condition given but different speed, it is clearly given. Okay, in the problem given different speed. That's why what? The car starting from A, speed is x kilometer per hour. Car starting from B, here, y kilometer per hour. Now after 1 hour, they may meet at C. They may meet at C, right? Here, after 1 hour. So we can find out the distance AC and BC. You can easily find out. So here distance covered by the car from place A in 1 hour. In 1 hour. In 1 hour equal to what? What's the distance? Speed into time. Same formula. Speed into time. The speed is x, time is 1. Therefore, x, that is. So you will get AC here. In the second case, you will get AC. Right? Now, same way, distance covered by the car from B in same 1 hour equal to y into 1. Y into 1 speed only change, okay, times C. That is, you will get what? BC. You will get BC. Therefore, but AB equal to 100 kilometer given. So in this case, AB, how will you write? AC plus BC. AB plus AC plus BC is 100. It is given, right? It is given. Now what is AC here? X. BC is Y equal to 100. This is equation number 2. Now see the equation number 1, equation number 2. We can solve by elimination method, easily we can solve. Because the problem it is given, but any algebraic method we can solve. Clear? So the easy method is elimination method. See, coefficient already same. So write equation number 1 as it is. Equation number 1, write as it is. What you will get? X minus y equal to 20. Equation number 2 also write as it is. X plus y equal to 100. So just to subtract or add also. Clear? Addition also you can do, because minus y plus y get cancelled. Addition is better. Clear? So cancel it. Y coefficient cancel it. X plus x 2x is equal to 100. Therefore x is equal to what? 100 by 2. 2x equal to 100. Therefore 2x, x plus x 2x, then 20 plus 100, 120. Therefore 2x is equal to 120. Therefore x is equal to 120 by 2. How much? X is 60. Right? Put this 60 in equation number 1. Put this 60 in equation number 1. Put x in equation number 1. What you will get? Equation number 1. Or equation number 2 also better, because here equation number 1 minus is there. So equation number 2 plus is there. That is better. Equation number 2 you. Okay. So 60 plus y equal to 100. Therefore y is equal to 100 minus 60. Therefore y is equal to 40. Right? Therefore the speed of two cars are, one is 60 km per hour, another one is what? 40 km per hour. Okay. So you have to write the final answer. Okay. Therefore final answer you have to write. Okay. Therefore the speed of two cars are 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. Okay, understand? So this is very, very important problem. You have to practice 3 or 4 times. You practice. I will give same type of problem as homework also. Clear? See, next problem we will see. Fourth problem, first one. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days. Okay, one has taken food in the mess. Clear? So when a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000. Clear? As hostel charges. Whereas student B who takes food for 26 days, okay, she has to pay 180 rupees as hostel charge. Clear? Understand? Normally a hostel charges 2 types. One is a fixed charge. Another one is mess charge. Clear? Mess charge. So once you enter into the hostel, first they will put the fixed charge. Then they will calculate number of working days. So every month working days will be changes according to the holiday. Working days will be changes. 1 month 26 days. 1 month 20 days. Clear? Another month 15 days, like that. Understand? But fixed charge is constant. Once you taken the hostel, means immediately they will fix one charge. Clear? Then the mess charge will be different. Clear? Net charge will be differ. Understand? According to the days. Understand? So that's why it is given two charges. You see, we have to calculate two charges here. So find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. You have to separately have to calculate. Understand? So now we have to, that is unknown here. Fixed charge is unknown and the cost of food per day is unknown. So first you have to take it. Let the fixed charge be rupees X. Rupees X. Understand? And cost of food per day, cost of food per day be rupees Y. Now easily we can frame the equation. You see, by data, first data you see, student A, when a student A takes food for 20 days, so first what you have to do, fixed charge you have to write. Okay, food charge is X, Y, food charge is per day Y. How many days taking? 20 days, that means 20Y. That is equal to, then you will get what? Total charge, that is 1000. Total charge will be 1000. Here, so equation number 1 easily framed. Here, same way, students B you come to student B. Student B food takes food for 26 days. That means first to write fixed charge plus 26 into 1 day food charge, that is 26Y. That is equal to how much total that time? 1180. This is equation number 2. Now easily we can do by elimination method. Here easily we can solve this by elimination method. So what you have to do, already got x coefficients are same. Here x coefficients same. That's why you got 1 equation number 1 right as it is. Equation number 1 right as it is. That is x plus 20y equal to 1000. Equation number 2 also write as it is, x plus 26y is equal to 1180, right? Now both the sign are same, means subtract. Change the sign. X will be eliminated here. X will be eliminated. Now 20y, ignore this sign. Here new sign you take. Minus 26. How much? Minus 6y. Okay, here how much? Minus only big. Minus 1180 minus 1000 means 180. Now minus is common. Cut it. Therefore y equal to 180 by 6. How much? Y equal to, how many time will go? 6 table. 3, 30. Y equal to 30. Now put this y in equation number 1. That is better. So we get x plus 20 into 30 equal to 1000. Therefore x plus 600 equal to 1000. X is equal to 1000 minus 600. So x is equal to how much? 400. X is equal to 400. Okay. Now we got x and y. Therefore what is our assumption? Fixed charge be x. Therefore fixed charge be equal to rupees x, that is 400. And another one, cost of food per day. Cost of food per day equal to how much? Rupees 30. Y, that is y is rupees 30. So you have to write final answer. Only you calculate x and y means not enough. You have to write final answer is very important. For that mark is there. Clear? So you should not forget to write final answer. Every problem final answer you have to write. Clear? So now we will see one important CBSE problem. Clear? Very important. This is already asked in the CBSE exam. So listen carefully. The sum of the two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging its digit is 110. Okay, sum of the two-digit number. One two-digit number means you can find out the original number. Clear? Then you reversing the digit means new number. Both add means 110. Clear? If 10 is subtracted from the first number, 10 is subtracted from the first number means original number. First number means original number. Clear? 10 you subtract from the original number means you will get the new number. So the new number is 4 more than the 5 times of the sum of the digits. That means what? Sum of the digits means from the new original number, sum of the digits find out. That is x plus y. 5 times means 5 into x plus y. Clear? Plus 4. More than 4 more than means what? Plus 4 you have to. Clear? So find the number, original number you have to find. First number means original number you take it. Clear? Understand? So listen, let the two-digit number means you know ones place and tens place. Clear? Let the tens place be tens place be x and ones place be ones are unit place. Anyway, you can take ones place be y you take. Okay, ones place be y you take. Understand? Ones place be y you take. Now by data, therefore immediately you write. Therefore original number you write. Original or here first number is given. Write first number. According to the problem, you write first number. First number means original number. That is how we will get original number. In the tens place multiply by 10, unit place multiply by 1, that is y. 10x plus y, that is first number. Okay, and a new number, how you are getting the new number means reversing the digits. Okay, the number formed by interchanging its digit. Interchanging its digit means what? 10y plus x. Just to interchange the digits. Okay. Now, according to the question, by data, you see the sum of the first condition, the sum of the two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit means sum of the two-digit number. This is the original number. Okay. This first number 10x plus y plus the new number how you got means interchanging the digits. Both add means that is 10y plus x. Both add means you are getting 110. Now simplify this. Okay. So 10x plus x, 11x plus 11y equal to 110. Okay. Now 11 table you divide means x plus y is equal to 10. Easily we will get UK's number 1. Easily we can get UK's number 1. And one more also condition given. You see 10 is subtracted from the first number. First number is 10x plus y. You subtract from the first number 10 you subtract means minus 10, right? Then you consider this is the new number. This is new number you are getting. Clear? Is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means x plus y. 5 times means x 5 into x plus y. Okay. Plus 4 more. That means plus 4. Understand the statement. So you read correctly. New number is first you see 10 is subtracted from the first number. First number 10 subtracted. Okay. You assume that that is okay new number there. Clear? Yes. Yes. This fully okay. 4 more than the 5 times the sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means 5 times sum of the 5 into x plus y. And 4 more means plus 4. Clear? Plus 4. Now simplify this. 10x plus y minus 10 equal to 5x plus 5y plus 4. Right? Now 10x x and all bring this side. 10x minus 5x plus y. Y also bring 4 minus of 4 minus 10 bring that side means plus 10, right? 10x plus minus 5x. 10x minus 5x means 5x. Here minus 4y equal to 14. This is UKS number 2. UKS number 2. Now you compare UKS number 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2. So UKS number 1 coefficients y there 4 is there. So UKS number 1 into 4 that is better. Here UKS number 1 into 4 you multiply. Okay, how to make the coefficient same? That's why. Clear? UKS number 1 into 4 I am multiplying. That means 4x plus 4y that's equal to 40. Right? Then UKS number 2 already y coefficient 4 is there. Clear? UKS number 1 2 into 1 you multiply means same thing as it is you write. Then you have different sign means what? Just add. Just adding itself what it eliminated. Y is eliminated. Therefore 9x is equal to how much? 54. Therefore x is equal to 54 by 9. How much? 6. X is 6. Therefore put x in equation number 1. We get 6 plus y equal to 10. Therefore y is equal to 4. Therefore the first number is you put in this. First number is clear, right? Therefore first number is equal to 10x plus y, that is 10 into x is 6 plus y is 4, that is 60 plus 4, 64. 6 plus 60 plus 4, 64. That is the first number they asked. Find the first number. We got the first number. Clear? Understand? So read the problem, frame the equation, then elimination method is the best method apply. Easily will get the answer. Clear? So same type of problem I will give some problem 4 months. Okay, do practice.